Well, we got the campfire going pretty well. Take a look at it here. Move the wood around a little bit. Get some embers in the far corner here so I can put the grill over the top. I had a cup of chili earlier, but now I feel like grilling a couple brats. Yeah, that's good. Got some good embers here and it's going to burn down, so. Add another round on the other side, just make sure. Well, it sure is cold tonight. Right now it's about 27 degrees. This high altitude really makes me run out of breath. Now I'll go inside tent and get the grill that I pre-assembled. Nice little compact grill, stands about 10 inches high. Well, the embers aren't quite ready yet, so I'll just set it off to the side here. Okay, let's take out the package of brats here, and got some embers and some low flame under the grill. And now I'm going to add the bratwursts, or hot dogs, but these are actually bratwursts. I'm going to add these over on the grill over the embers and start cooking them. Oh, that fire's hot. Got a couple slices of bread with some cheddar cheese on there. So I'll set this next to the fire to warm up. Well, it's definitely hot near the fire. Their brats are cooking pretty fast. I don't want to blister and burn. Yeah, they're cooking pretty fast, so I better stay on top of them, keep turning them so they don't burn. Well, looking good, smelling great. Brats cooked over a campfire. Be just a couple minutes now and they'll be done. Yeah, cooking just right. Okay, we're just about ready here on the brats. Oh, they're hot. They're melting the cheese as soon as I put them on the bread and the cheese. The cheese melted. Oh crap, I forgot the mustard. Mustard sitting inside on my camp table. So I'll add a little mustard here, a little bit of mayo and some relish. And then I'll come back to the fire and eat my brats. There we go. Ah, feels good to sit down. And here we go with the first bite. yum. Those are good. Time to pick this grill out of the fire, set it aside. Don't need to have it sitting over the embers if there's no food on it. Pretty hot though, so I use the tongs to move it. Some barbecue potato chips sounds good. I'll have some of these on the side. Yeah, I know some of you would prefer that was a cold beer. Just bottled water. Yeah, let's get up here and I think I'll go over to the refrigerator freezer and pull out a little dessert bar. Yeah, fire's burning well. Let me move some embers around. Move a few of these logs around so that the fire starts to burn down low. Get ready for bed. Swish out the hot water from the pot that I used to warm up my chili earlier. Helps keep it clean. Boy, that water's hot. Had that blue camping pot for many years. Must be 20, 22 years I've had that blue camping pot. Yeah, move these embers around. Had to put my leg up. It was getting too hot next to the fire. Move these burning rounds around again. Yeah, now the fire's starting to burn down just right. Pretty clear night. Stars will be out. Full moon tonight as well. Oh boy, pretty tired. I'll put my chair away and get ready to go to bed. I'll go stand by the fire for a little bit first. There's a nighttime sky all lit up. There's my fire right there. And it's burning down just perfect. Perfect time to make marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate bars and melt them into s'mores. Good night, everybody.